Hey everybody, Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi. Today is the day. I was the first person to purchase my book, obviously, nerding out, super excited. And people got the book before me. So there are people on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, with pictures holding my book. And I'm waiting. And I'm looking at my app, Amazon app, and it's like 6 stops away and it's coming and it's finally here. Let's get into this book. Super duper excited for this. All right, here we are, the Amazon package, and we are not even needing scissors. Yay. Oh man. Oh man. This is my book. This is crazy. This is like totally crazy. And yeah. So one of the things I did in this book, I used a app called Calligrapher, and I'll share that out again, but there's a video on my YouTube channel which you can subscribe to, of course. I made my own font a bunch of times throughout the book. Here's one of the examples, and it was just incredible to be able to draw that out and turn it into a font right away. But this is just crazy. This is so cool. So the book is square, and one of the things that I did, and this was really, credit to the editor, is we left this really nice margin so that you could jot notes and write things down as you go through the book. And yeah, wow, this is my book. It's my book. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. Lots of drawings, of course. Yeah. You can get those on my store in any form that you want. Coffee mug, shirt, pillow, tote bag. So it's crazy. It's a journey that is just starting, but it really feels like closure at the same time. I've put hundreds, if not thousands of hours into this book, this project, this desire to help people think in a more creative way, because we all have it. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm speechless. It's like, it's my book. It's right here. I'm holding it. And you're going to get to read it. And it's hopefully going to make a difference in your life and in the lives of your students and young people. Oh man, this is like legit. This is like literally my book. This is my book right here. I'm holding my book. Anyway, I can't even talk right now. I'm totally blown away. But please support the project, support the book. It has my journey in here, but it's a journey that I hope you are already taking or will want to take now. And there are lessons and ideas in here and in the resource site. I couldn't get everything in here because I can't stop thinking up new ideas. I can't stop being inspired by other educators and other incredible people in various industries and adapting and modifying the work that they're doing to try to bring creative capacity and creative courage to students around the world. So we have to create a community to keep sharing these great ideas, and not just my own, but the ideas that all of you have. And hopefully this is the gateway, the doorway into connecting and building that community. But I just want to thank God and my family and my network of incredible colleagues, my publisher, my editor. Wow, it's real now. It's real. Educated by design.